Hi, this is Raymond Camden, and today I'm going to show you 3 extensions related to GitHub. There's actually a few more available on the main brackets extension wiki list, but these 3 I thought were the most up-to-date and the most interesting to show. For the first extension, I'm going to look at brackets git info by GetUserDavid, and I'm probably saying that very wrong. This is a very simple extension. All it does is recognize if a current brackets project is pointing to a Git repo, and if so, it adds current branch in the project listing. So let me show you an example of that. Currently, I have brackets open to a folder that is not tied to any Git repo, but when I switch to one that is, you can see that the extension automatically updated the name to show what branch it's on. And that's it. I mean, that's all it does, but you know what? That's really simple, really nice, and a great reminder of when you're working with a Git repository. The second extension by GetUserDavid actually allows you to run Git commands from brackets. So what do we mean by that? Well, I'll switch back to brackets. You can see I have a Git menu item on top, and if I do Git run, I can then do things like git status and see what the current status is in this project. I could do things like git log as well. And if I forget what git commands are supported, I can always do git help. Now this is pretty cool, and one of the things I noticed was that, well, if I'm passing git in the arguments here, what happens if I do a non-git command? So I tried ls, and the extension actually saw that and stopped me, which is kind of cool. So for the final extension that we'll look at, this one is by GetUserDavid, and again, I'm probably saying it a bit incorrectly. This allows you to easily create gist from brackets. A gist is essentially a code sample that you can share with other people. So if I go back into my editor and we'll take some code and select it, if I want to share this with somebody, I can go into my edit menu and click create gist. It does its magic. It speaks to GitHub and it tells me that, hey, it's made it, gives me the URL, and actually opens a little window with that particular gist. And then I could take this URL, share it with somebody else. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. The blog post will have links to all these extensions. Don't forget that Brackets now has a very cool extension manager that makes it a heck of a lot easier to install extensions. Have a great day.